Hi beauty makers, welcome to Tiffany's. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be unboxing this Asus model number UN3481. It's a Q528 Zenbook Flip 15. By the way, this microphone is amazing on this computer. And I will tell you two of the main reasons, well maybe three of the main reasons why I selected this computer for my lifestyle. It comes in this lovely box with a handle. It's like a briefcase, okay? That was fairly easy. So as you can see, when you open the box, be careful not to drop it. There's some boxes up here. I'm sure there's my power cord and some other items, accessories. Then we have the lovely, you guys, I think I opened it up upside down. Okay, open it this way. Here we go. Look, I see. I see the words. Look. Okay, here we go. Open it this way. Okay, so quick tip: keep the handle on the bottom. Okay. It's not like I would have known that. I don't think I could have known that. So that way, the computer will rest this way. All right. Okay. And it's upside down though. That's the only thing. Okay, whatever. So here's the outside of it. I mean, you know, hey, it's a computer. I like the contrast between the black and the silver. Now, I did want something pink, but they didn't have anything like that. They just had black. Okay, and I did get this from Best Buy. I love the width of this screen, how large it is, because my last computer was really small. I love how this is a 15.6, I think. Okay, so I think I found 4 reasons why I got this. Anyway, so it didn't take me long to make up my mind, because the moment I walked into Best Buy, I told the gentleman that I'm a video creator, and he immediately was excited because he is too. And so he brought me to this one because he uses, I think he said Final Cut Pro or something like that, and I use Wondershare from Filmora. And so it holds these large files that you have to download in order to be a video creator. Also the speed of it, and also the clarity of the camera, I believe, like the pixels. I'm not like tech savvy or anything like that, but I know this particular sticker, he pointed out Intel Core i7 right here. Also utilize this computer in tablet mode. You can go into your settings and customize it. You can see here it has the 4096 pressure level stylus support. You guys, I literally just realized that I can flip this computer backwards. Look on the hinges, it moves. Oh my gosh, while I'm sitting here editing, I noticed this, so I had to add this clip for you guys to see the transformation from the laptop to tablet mode. How awesome is this computer? Now, so I had a Microsoft computer, and those things cannot be fixed, okay? I personally need something that can be repaired, and this was one of them. This is definitely one of them. So we have the power button on the side here. I will charge this up a little bit. So one trick that I learned from my last computer is to never give your computer a power shock. Always plug the cord into the outlet first, and then attach it to your computer. Otherwise, the surge from the outlet will be a little bit too much for your computer, and you can fry your battery. Something that I was told by some tech geeks. No offense if you are a tech geek. I wish I was one. Oh, it's coming on already, people. Look at how quick that's happening. But there's where you can see the lights. Immediately you can see.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little slide in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
You guys just got my live reaction. I had no idea that was gonna happen. This thing is talking to you as soon as you turn it on. Are you serious? Are you even kidding me? What's your name? Katana? Girl, what you say? What's your name? Can I rename you? What the heck? It's gonna ask you for your region, and obviously I'm in the United States. So I'm gonna say yes. Now I'm not gonna walk through an entire setup, but let's see. And this is all while this is charging, you guys. So this is happening with just a little bit of charging power. So I'm gonna say yes to that. is this the right keyboard layout? If you also use another keyboard layout, you can add that next. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Let's just see what it looks like. Add another keyboard layout. Oh, okay, so it's asking for a different, okay, no. Let's go back. I don't want to do that. So I went back and then I'm just gonna hit skip. Let's connect you to a network, okay? And I'm gonna do that. I can't show you guys my password, so hold on a second. Let me know if you all have this computer, how you like it, what features are your favorite, what do you wish this computer had. If you're a video creator like myself, how has it been working for you speed-wise, storage space-wise, and all those good things. So yeah, so I am going to be making some awesome videos for you guys here on this channel. Once again, thank you so much for being patient with me as I figure out my flow for this channel. I'm looking forward to growing and getting to know you guys, and thank you for the love you've shown on all of my home decor videos that are up thus far. My spring decor videos. I am literally shooting videos and getting them prepared for you guys currently as we speak. And like I said before, all of those channels that were on what is now called Tiffiney J, I have brought those all over here to this Welcome to Tiffany's channel. And I took the Welcome to Tiffany's name off of that other channel and put Tiffiney J. Okay, you can see my profile there, and I do have my channel announcement change over there. It's going to stay up for quite some time. I need Google to understand that it is me and these are my videos. And I stripped myself of those views and I brought those videos over here. They are going to be coming out at different times because a lot of them were seasonal. So I'm just going to be updating some information on them, and hey, it's all still good information, also great spring decor and all that. It's all relevant. It's all relevant. So yes, I'm excited to be utilizing something that's specifically tailored for video creation. And do you guys like the name? Did you notice that I called you beauty creators? Yes, over here we are visually inspiring you to create something beautiful, or visually inspiring you to create a beautiful space. So I have deemed you guys my beauty creators. And so let me know how you like that name at the bottom. I've been really trying to figure out something to call you guys that I will be proud of, and that would be, you know, something that you would like. And so let me know if you like it. Beauty creators. You all are beauty creators. Even if you think that you struggle to be creative, I'm pretty sure you are creative in some way. And the fact that you are here on this channel lets me know that you have a heart of a beauty creator. You desire to make something beautiful for yourself, for your friends, for your family. And yes, thank you for being here with me. And I'm excited to bring you more product reviews, home decor products, and how-tos, whether that is a how to create a beautiful floor arrangement within my home decor videos, or how to remove the old cedar mop head, you know, whatever it is, I am going to bring that stuff to you guys here. So thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you have this computer. Let me know how you're liking the change on the channel. Any questions, comments, concerns, drop them below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. That's it. Look, y'all, did they put all of this in here? They put all of this in here just for what? Yeah, I thought there was something else extra inside here. I want to make sure. But y'all, look at the packaging. You see? They have this whole other compartment, and I would have sworn there was something else in here. I mean, I don't know what else they would have in here because you have those two items already, but like, I don't know. Look at that. It's empty. What exactly is all of that for? Okay, so just so you know, there's nothing else in there. I mean, if there's supposed to be, if you get a package and you have something else in yours, please drop a link below and let me know. Let me comment below and tell me, okay? Because I don't know what I got yet. I had to drive an hour to get this because my Best Buy did not have any more of these and it was on sale. They only had 3. So I had to sacrifice to look at this mug, and if it was missing something, I am not gonna be happy, okay? So anyway. But yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in here, okay? So let us sister know.